Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So super excited today, and what I'm going to be doing to the car today is going to make the car look 100 times way better. So what I'm actually going to be doing today is installing this VOLTEX Rear Diffuser. Look at that. Damn. The condition isn't the best, but for the price I picked it up for, no complaints at all. Damn, look at that carbon VOLTEX diffuser. So for those who know me, I've been looking for a carbon diffuser for ages, and I finally got one, as these parts don't really come up for sale second hand as much, and when they do, they sell pretty quick. So I was lucky enough to pick this one up straight away, and yeah, like I said again, condition's not the best, but I picked it up for a pretty good price. So yeah, let's get installing, eh? Look at that. Carbon. Damn. Alright guys, so also for this install right here, I actually don't know what I'm doing, as I bought this second hand and there is no instructions, and apparently even when you buy it brand new, like the instructions aren't that clear as well. And I checked some forums and there was one, so I'll probably try and follow that, but we'll see how things goes. And also the brackets right here, I'm going to be spraying them black, as I want them to be hidden, because the brackets I'm pretty sure hang like this or something like that, and if it's silver you're going to notice. So we'll spray it black, and then yeah, hopefully it does the job. Alright guys, so we just did a little mock-up, and we still don't know what we're doing, but Fabi figured out a way. But basically, as you can see before, I don't know if I showed you, but basically the bracket for the diffuser at the end has to sit on your exhaust tunnel or your exhaust bracket right here. And basically what happens is you have to drill into your bracket here, and then the brackets for the diffuser attaches here. So basically that's where it attaches to this exhaust bracket and to the actual diffuser, if that makes sense. And then from there you can work away to the back. It was like this, but we have to line it like here, yeah? Yeah. So basically get one drill. You want to? Alright guys, so this whole video probably doesn't make sense, because I still don't know what I'm doing. But anyways, like I said before, this is the exhaust brace right here, and then this is the diffuser bracket. So but as you can see, we actually mounted the diffuser bracket into the exhaust bracket. We had to drill it, and then as you can see right here, this is how it sits. And basically right now, as you can see, these empty holes here is where the diffuser sits. So the diffuser, for example, my hand will come up here, and we're going to bolt it underneath, and then that's how it attaches over here. And then the rest, I'm pretty sure it just attaches to the rear bumper here. So the VOLTEX diffuser comes across, it attaches here, and then yeah, it should be good. There you go. I'll do the 2 ends first, yeah? In middle. Which one? Oh, you drill it from under here? Oh no, you can't, because these are OEM ones. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, it is a bit dark at the moment. As you know, we had to run down to our local hardware store, Bunnings. Shout out to Bunnings. and get some brackets, because the one we had, you know, it was slightly bent and it wasn't long enough. So we're gonna make our own now, and yeah, let's go. Oh yeah.
You see this shit, bro? None of them are the same.
This is the one that came with it.
Bro, look at this, bro.
And then that's the wrist, yeah?
Yeah.
As you can see right here, we got these new brackets, and what we have to do is obviously, you know, we have to like measure it and then we have to bend it. So basically, brackets go here and here, 2 there, and yeah, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. It should sit flush. As you can see here, we are currently making the custom brackets. DIY for days, yeah? Shit.
Everything.
Plug and play?
No.
Never.
Start that again.
Never.
It's all for tomorrow. It's just like the whole
Alright guys, so after a long day, we finally got the diffuser in with all these custom brackets, and that's how it currently looks with the car still jacked up. I mean, hopefully it looks good when you drop the car, but it should. Also with these brackets here, we're gonna spray it once we drop the car, so you can't really notice it, but yeah, let's drop the car in. Alright guys, so new day today, and we're finally finished installing the rear diffuser, and I'm not too sure if you guys are ready to see this. Also, I know I didn't really record much, as you know, we didn't know what we were actually doing, so we had to mock something up and, you know, go with the flow. So that's why I didn't really record much, but we finally figured something out with some custom brackets, and it's looking 100 times way better.
These are the brackets that came with it. Yeah. None of them are the same. Like, this is dodgy as fuck. Yeah. Like, bruh. So what Ricardo did, Ricardo and Fubs, they use this to mock up a bracket, and they use a stronger metal. You bend that and yeah, you make a bracket.
Yeah, so with that being said, let's show you guys the final results. Damn! What do you guys think? 100 times way better or nah? Far for sure, this is 100 times way better. Hey, shit, look at that VOLTEX Rear Diffuser. Look from here, bro. Shit. Far, there it is. VOLTEX Rear Diffuser on my S2000. Damn.
Crazy, bro. Say G under this guy.
Hey.
Say G on this guy. I see like S2Ks like this on Instagram and shit.
Damn.
That's proper. That's proper. Yeah.
So, you know, for those who know me, like I said at the start of the video, I've been looking for this part for ages. Like what? Like 2 years? Nah, just 1 year. But I finally got it, and I can say it's worth the wait. Fuck. It is down. So as you saw before, last night as well, the last clip, as you can see, you can't really tell the brackets are there because I painted them black. So I'm glad that I went for the black look because it looks more stealth and it's just hidden away. Because with the silver you can see it, but with the black you can't actually see it. Hey, damn. So here it is from the side. As you can see right there, the whole car actually matches now. So back then was only my front lip and the side diffusers, but now the back matches it as well. Look at that, all in height as well. Damn. Oh, look how sick the S2000 looks, eh? Even though you can't see the diffuser, but even from the front end, it looks sick. But you know, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the diffuser. So, alright, so what do you guys take a look at this? Damn. Woo woo. So as you can see here, it is a bit dirty, so I think my new plan or next time is to actually put like little mud flaps right here, because I'm pretty sure whenever I drive when it's raining, it will just flick the dirt into there, because last night it was raining, so hence why, you know, I picked up so many dirt. And over time you don't want to get it too heavy because it will probably just weigh the diffuser down and it will probably drop. And also there you go, here's the black brackets. As you can see, if you come up close you can see it, but from far, once again, you can't really see it. Damn. Right man, 100 times way better or nah?
Fucking 100 times way better.
Ooh, ooh. I think this is one of my favorite angles right here. Look at that, right there, because you get the whole taste, get the whole menu, diffuser, rims, side skirts, ooh, maybe tail lights in the future, hey, shit. Oh yeah, we got one more part that might actually make the car complete, and I showed it in the last video and I actually picked it up now, which is the S2000 side strakes. So you know, I picked it up, showed you guys last week, so I might as well show you guys the actual product now. So there it is, can you guys see it, that gold part right there, or the Millennium Jade color? That is the part I picked up, and obviously, you know, it's out of color, so I have to spray paint it to my color. But what do you guys think? Imagine that blue or carbon. Do you reckon it'll complete the look or nah? Yeah. It kind of looks out of place because it's, you know, it's not the right color, but I reckon once you put the color the right one, it'll look 100 times way better as well. So hopefully you guys can hear me. It's kind of windy, so I flipped the mic around, but look at that. And it also makes my car slightly lower, as you can see right there. But it's almost like touching the floor, eh? Nah, jokes. But fuck, still pretty sick, eh? Alright guys, so last look before I end the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. 100 times way better or nah? So I reckon, you know, all I have to do now is probably fix up the boot. As you can see, you know, I said this in like almost every video. Gotta fix up the badge, gotta probably pull this off, rewrap it or respray it, and then it should be done, because you know, that's probably the only side letting me down right now. But you know, other than that, it's looking pretty sick. Can't really see it, the sun's out. But look at that. Look at that carbon, eh? Ooh! Damn. 100 times way better. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this new rear diffuser I just installed, and for me it's looking 100 times way better. Hopefully you guys like the new look as well. Let me know in the comments down below. With this new rear diffuser, I reckon it completes the look of the car, and also, you know, like I've been saying, the back of my car was my least favorite, but I can say it's starting to creep up to the top to be one of my favorites, as you know, the diffuser completes the back of the car and it's looking 100 times way better. So if you enjoyed this video and this new diffuser, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.
They use this to mock out a brocket.
A brocket.